Hello, beautiful. In this video, I am going to walk you through 2 recession-proof investing strategies for those who have money to invest and those who do not. First, I want you to know that you do not need money to invest in real estate. But depending on if you have money or not, there are investing strategies that will better suit your interest. I don't want you to be nervous to invest because people are telling you it's not the right time to invest. Let me just tell you, it's always a good time to invest in real estate. You just need to know what strategy to use. More millionaires are made during a recession than during times of economic growth. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets. If you have money, let's start with those who have some sort of cash fund that's not currently making you much money. Say you have a 401k or a Roth IRA or even a decent savings account. If you have some money to invest, one great strategy during a recession is rentals. And I do mean some money. With the creative strategy that I teach you, you do not need a lot of money because we do not do things the traditional way. If you want to know more about that strategy, click the link below to learn about my masterclass where I will give you all of the details. Choosing the right type of rental property for you, you could choose short-term rentals, which is typically 1 to 30 days that someone would rent out your property. A midterm rental is when someone chooses to rent something between 30 days to 6 months, and then our traditional long-term rentals is typically 6 months to 1 or even 2 years. All of these are great ways to create generational wealth. Unfortunately, during a recession, the foreclosure rates increase. But fortunately, as an investor, you are in the unique position to purchase the property before it goes into foreclosure. We are not waiting for people to go into foreclosure, but instead, we are helping a seller from a sticky situation and avoiding that black mark on their credit, creating a win-win for all parties. Again, more millionaires are made during a recession because they can get these houses at a deep discount. But where do you find these properties that are going into foreclosure? Well, this is where wholesalers come in. You can go to your local real estate investors network and look for wholesalers posting properties they've already gotten under contract for under market value. You are able to purchase these properties at a fraction of the price and begin creating generational wealth via traditional rentals, midterm rentals, or short-term rentals. Okay, if you're going to go the midterm or short-term rental route, you have to do a little research. They have to be in the right location and know that they are banned in some areas. The perfect formula is purchasing these properties at 80% of the after repair value minus any repairs that are needed. I do not have time to teach this today, but the beautiful thing is that you can purchase these using asset-based loans, not traditional loans. Also, when you purchase properties using this formula, you can refi out of them and get most of your money back and sometimes all of it and keep purchasing property after property this way. And I have a bonus nugget for you. Always use a property management company. They will do all of the heavy lifting for you. Yes, it's going to cost you something, but you can be out searching for your next investment property, not dealing with stopped up toilets. Remember, it's not what it costs you, it's what it makes you. So always use a property management company, whether we're talking long-term, short-term, or mid-term rentals. Now, if you do not have any money to get started, I still have a strategy for you. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is a fantastic recession-proof strategy. Actually, wholesaling works in any market, but especially in the middle of a recession. In wholesaling, you are looking for off-market properties, not properties listed on the MLS, and you are creating win-wins with motivated and/or what we call distressed sellers. You're getting it under contract using the golden formula. You sell that contract, sometimes we call that assigning that contract to your end buyer at 80 to 90% of the ARV minus repairs. Obviously, there are plenty of buyers that would love to purchase properties at this price. And you make the difference between what you get it under contract for and then what you sell or assign that contract for. That's your actual profit. The typical assignment fee on a wholesale deal is between $10,000 and $20,000, but many times you can make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on one wholesale deal. Right now, due to this economic recession, it is so easy to purchase houses at a deep discount. Then selling or assigning that contract to a cash buyer, end buyer, who is looking to buy and hold the property. These cash buyers will use these properties as buy and holds and typically turn them into short-term, mid-term, or long-term rentals. Cash buyers understand and are excited about the deal that they are getting. Wholesaling is one of the most simple strategies. You can make a ton of what I like to call easy money. This is money that you can use for more marketing, as well as building up capital for other strategies that will require a little money out of pocket. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear from you. So if you have a question or suggestion on videos you want to see, let me know down in the comments. If you're thinking about investing in real estate but don't have a full picture of how to do it, where to start, or if it's even the right path for you, join me in my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass, Without Fear of Her Future. It's linked down in the description of this video. And again, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.